We are back with week 16 of GoMining's MinerWars. As you can see, we had another great week of a good payout with some even more GMT. But first, make sure you check out the Discord in the description below, and also my referral code if you are not signed up yet. It will also be in the description below. Our total rewards in Bitcoin is 0.018657551. At current rates, that is converted to $1,783.22, and our pool reward for this week was $63.35. We had a nice total discount of 8.5%, but the best part is our GMT reward. So as you can see, we got 704 GMT for our personal game rewards, and we also got 2.10 GMT for our liquidity provider rewards, and that reward alone is $317.59, and that puts us at a weekly total of $380.94. And don't forget to join the clan if you are already signed up, or if you're looking to sign up. We already have 1179.87 terahash in total with 27 members and 5 blocks won. As you can see, our total investment converted to USD from Canadian is $3,842.50. 1% of that is $38.42 and some change. Our total rewards, which is our Bitcoin and our GoMining together, is $2,641.06 at current rates. Divided by the $38.42, you get 68.73%. 4 months, I will be at a 100% ROI. And again, a little reminder, if you haven't, still feel free to join the Discord if you haven't already. You don't have to be in the GoMining clan to join it. This is a crypto money and finance community. And again, if you're looking to sign up as well and start mining Bitcoin for a nice little ROI, then feel free to use my referral link that will be in the description below, and we'll see you guys soon.